I'm doing this video over again because I thought I was recording and I wasn't recording. So, I'm gonna make this video only a few minutes instead of the 10 minutes I did previous. When you get your bag, it's gonna come in a box. It's gonna come in this recyclable bag, which it says recyclable 1%. When you open the bag, you'll get this card, welcome to Team Rider bag, hashtag on that. You'll get 3 different types of instructions, one in Espanol, one in Parlez-vous Français, and one in English. You get a rider bag sticker. It comes with this net that clips on these 4 locations on the back of your bag. Boom. It does a decent job fitting. It does have the reflective material. You see my card is right here. It doesn't fit exactly over, but this is of course an accessory. You get the 2 pockets on the outside, the mesh pockets. Very nice mesh pockets on the outside. You get this rain resistant, this water resistant material, similar to a windbreaker. And these gray spots right here on the back, right there are the reflective areas on the rider bag. You have these locking pull tassels so you can tighten it up as you need to. It comes with also this giant reflective super green, hyper green cover. This is waterproof, as described in this. Let's read it real quick and then I'll show you the bag. Boom, high visibility day, reflective at night. So, bright red. They also come in, you get it black with the gray. All of it has a reflective material. Alright. You get it pink, blue, black, super burn your eyes out green or red like I have right here. You can get CE rated armor. Or I should say back protector. So, reflective at night, water resistant, waterproof cover, which is what I told you. Has 35 liters of space inside, laptop compartment, underneath compartment to add a back protector, earphone output, there's no perforation made, helmet net, which I just showed you, emergency whistle, I'll show you that, air cushion belt, paracord, and 12-month manufacturing guarantee. So boom, we'll start from this side. See, this is really good foam. Push up against your back, especially if you got a lot of stuff. Most backers, once they have a bag, they carry a lot of stuff in it because you're on a sport bike. You don't have the saddle bags or the side bags to keep your stuff in. So you try to carry as much as you can without affecting your rideability. Here's the bottom portion that they were telling you about. That you open up, you put your back protector in there. So you get smacked off your bike, you land on it, everything underneath that's gonna get, mashed up or whatever, but you can still save your back. You got reflective material right here as well. This is water resistant, reflective material right here. You see you got plenty of adjustments you can make. You have a way to capture the tassel, so if you want to not have them swinging and hitting your arms or whatever, you can do that. This orange clip right here is also the whistle they were talking about. Pretty loud. You have several clips you can clip on. You want to walk around and have your water clipped onto you right there. Here's your laptop compartment. Fine. Zip it. Laptop compartment. Laptop goes right here. Velcro. This other area right here. Real quick, these are indeed YKK zippers. Here is the area for your headphones if you want to use headphones that have cord on them. You make your small hole. You make your small hole right there. And it is, I'll show you. That's not glue. that's indeed stitched on. That's stitched on, so that's what you're looking for. Once again, a lot of reflective material. Second compartment. Velcro pocket right here. IKK again. Boom. Two places for pins if you like fast lane D or double motor, somebody like that. A netted pocket, and then you got this area right here. Zip that back up. Oh, that's enough. Here is your paracord. Alright. Oh, this is whistle on this as well. Dope. So, your paracord, you guys tell me what that is. I know this for survival or something, but you tell me what that is. Yeah. You have a second whistle. And a compass. I know some of y'all can't tell north from south from nothing. So there you go. You're welcome. Alright, this is okay, just so you can expand a little bit, you have a little bit more room, and it's reflective. And here are the 4 points where you're going to clip your helmet. Once again, yeah, this area's on the back, and this mesh feels so nice in the hands. Feels so good in the hands, ladies, you know, the procedures. Which content creator does that come from? And if I'm correct, this is an air pocket. So when you're riding, air can flow through on your back. So as you're rolling down the road, don't say letting one rip while you're letting one rip. You know what I'm saying? Just keep going through. And these are very breathable. Mesh and breathable. So, yeah. I can't wait to go on a group ride. Try this out, let the guys see, you know, from their point of view, get some of their footage from them. And let you know if it's worth getting, especially since it's like $100. I think it's OGO. OGO is like 120 or better. Alpine Stars, these other brands, those are way more expensive. So yeah, I like this. It's a small business. I like to support small business because they tend to care more, and then you can reach out to them and get questions answered. And got more things you can clip on right here. So that's dope. I'm excited. I look forward to riding. So be sure to lock in, stay tuned for more footage on the rider bag. If you just so happen wanted to give one, I don't have a discount code. You can tell them that Beginner Bike Life sent you. Maybe they'll throw a discount code on there for you. But you know, I say get this. Being a rider and being as safe as possible. On your ends, the only thing you really can do. Cages, we don't think much of them as far as the ability to think. However, you know, the object of a good ride is to make it home. You love it. Ride safe to them. And we can both scrape shrimp and lobster off the plate. You dig? Later, baby, the money calls. I gotta move.